When using the Darkglass Suite, you will be able to update your Anagram to the latest OS version, store your presets, try and download public presets, and also upload NAM, Neural Amp Modeler captures, and also input responses to be synced later with your Anagram. Creating a Darkglass account is not necessary for the general use of the Darkglass Suite software or to update your device to the latest OS version. However, an account sign-in is necessary for the Preset Hub use and also to sync your presets to the cloud. To download the suite, go to darkglass.com, click on Suite, scroll down, and here you will be able to download a Windows or macOS version of the Darkglass Suite. I'm on macOS, so I'll download this one. Once installed, and when we open the Darkglass Suite, we will see this screen, where we can connect different Darkglass devices, or also use the device simulator. In this case, we want to connect the Anagram, so I will connect it using the USB-C cable. Once your Anagram is connected to the Darkglass Suite, the presets dashboard window will load up. And here we can access all of our stored presets. If we click on a preset, we can see all the blocks that are being used for that particular preset, and also the settings of each block. If we want to, we can also copy the preset data. On the right-hand side, we see the bank manager, and this gives us an overview of all our presets related to a particular bank. We can move banks around or even move presets. This is useful when creating setlists for a live show, for example. If needed, you can also import manually some new presets that you have downloaded or have gotten from other people. On the left, we also have the asset loader. Here we can import input responses by going to the right-hand side and clicking on Add New File, and then selecting the input response file that we want to upload. Then click on Send New File. After uploading, the input responses will be available in the cabinet section of the Anagram. Also, we can upload neural models. The upload process is similar to the input response upload process. We click on Add New File, choose the file that we want to upload, and then click on Send New File. The main difference being that with neural models, we have the option to select a category between pedals, amps, and miscellaneous. And each of these categories gives us different settings inside the NAM block. Then we move on to the Preset Hub. Here we will have access to our user presets. And these are all the presets that have been synchronized from my account to the Darkglass Suite. Then we have access to the public presets, which are presets uploaded by other users. And then saved presets that we have downloaded to our Anagram. When going to user presets, all of our presets are set to private by default. To make them publicly available, we click on the pencil icon. And then on the bottom portion, click to make them available. Then click Save. When doing so, your preset will then show up in the public preset section. If you would like to try one of the available public presets, all you need to do is click on Try this preset. This will be loaded onto your Anagram automatically, and you will be able to hear how it sounds like. Alternatively, you can also click on Save. And then that preset will be found on your Save window. Also, to gain more information about a preset, you can click the signal chain view, and you will be able to see what each of the blocks is doing and its settings. This is a great way to learn how other users create their presets. Under the settings menu, we have the option to toggle on and off whether the Darkglass Suite will look for automatic updates or not. We will see which model or device is connected and its current firmware or OS version. If we click on the text that's highlighted, we will be able to check whether we have available firmware updates or also manually update our device. We can also see the full changelog going from update to update. Currently, I'm on version 1.5.0.8, which is the current one. And finally, we have the ability to pick how fast presets are fetched from the Anagram to the Darkglass Suite. Older computers are going to require slower settings. Just something to keep in mind. For the last item on the list, we have the support window. And here we can view the Anagram's manual, which is always helpful to find relevant product information and how to use it, and also contact our support team in case you're having trouble with your unit.